Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel, answering a question you have left. I made a video about flowmeter failures and someone has asked why, when the flowmeter fails, if we release the connector, it would be the flowmeter in the vehicle's intake, and over here, this is the casing. The flowmeter goes inside, screwed here. We release the connector outwards and the values improve. I mean, it improves the behavior of the vehicle, the engine? This is due to the fact that since the ECU does not have a connection, which is the vehicle's computer with the flow meter, it uses values that have been pre-established at the factory. This is used precisely to protect the engine. That is why we notice that improvement when this part fails. I have a video hanging there, as I said. I'll put the link, about flow meter failures. Here is the video. If it has been useful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Turn to the canal.